Hello friends, today we are talking about Oppo Reno8 T 5G mobile full review. If you are new to our channel, before going to video vid, then please subscribe the channel, then you can watch interesting videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Oppo Reno8 T 5G is the latest addition to the Oppo Reno series and offers a sleek design and powerful performance. The body of the phone is made of a mix of plastic and glass, giving it a premium feel. The mobile has a thickness of around 7.7 millimeters. This makes it a relatively slim and compact device that should fit comfortably in your hand and pocket. The phone comes in a variety of colors, including black starlight and down gold. The display of the Oppo Reno8 T 5G is a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080x2412 pixels. The display is bright, clear, and vibrant, making it perfect for watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web. This phone comes to 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and swiping through the interface smooth and responsive. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno8 T 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset with Adreno 619 GPU support, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB and 256GB of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 13 and ColorOS 13, which is Oppo's custom UI. The phone is capable of handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease, making it a great choice for power users. The camera setup of the Oppo Reno8 T 5G includes a 108-megapixel main camera and 2-megapixel microscope camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. The camera is capable of capturing good quality images in well-lit conditions. The front camera is a 32-megapixel sensor and it takes good quality selfies. The phone is powered by a 4800 mAh battery and supports 67-watt fast charging. The phone can easily last through a full day of use, and with fast charging support, you can quickly top up your battery when you're in a hurry. Finally, the Oppo Reno8 T 5G is priced 8GB plus 128GB variant at around Rs. 29,999 in India, making it a mid-range smartphone. The phone offers a great combination of features, design, and performance, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a phone with a great display and camera. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, the Oppo Reno8 T 5G is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this video. Share your thoughts about this mobile in the comments section below. See you in a new video about a new mobile. Thank you.